Welcome to another recipe. Let's see what we're cooking today. If you enjoy our cooking, don't forget to like, subscribe and press the bell icon notification button. Here's a list of ingredients we will need for today's recipe. We'll take our boneless chicken. I've cooked this boneless chicken with some salt, black pepper, and then I've diced it up into small pieces. I haven't made mince out of it, it's just smaller pieces that I've cut with a knife. Go in with our potatoes. I've boiled them and then chopped them into small pieces again. It'll make it easier to mix them. Red chili flakes. Red chili powder. Onions that I've diced up again into small pieces. Salt to taste. Cheddar cheese. You can replace this with mozzarella cheese. And with the chilies, you can remove them and replace them with black pepper if you don't like your mixture to be spicy. Give that a good mix. We want to mix this as well as possible. That's all mixed. We'll take our bread. You can see it's crust-free bread. Dip it in water, just plain normal water. We dip it in water to make it easier to form into a shape. You'll see in a bit. Take our mixture, place it in the middle of our bread slice. We'll fold in the edges, making sure we seal it all in. Keep pressing it, turn it into a nice round shape. Dip it in cornflour that I've mixed with water. Go straight into the breadcrumbs. Coat it with the breadcrumbs all around. Make sure they're on there properly. As you can see, it's a nice shape. Put that to the side. I'll do the rest of them. And then what we'll do is we'll get onto the frying of them. That's my last one done. And now we'll get onto a frying. We'll take our oil, heat it up, medium to high heat. Once the oil is hot enough, we'll drop all of these in there. We want a nice brown colour on them. We don't need to cook them on the inside because the stuffing was already cooked. So all we need to do is cook them, crisp them up. We need to make sure the cheese is nice and melted on the inside, so it's all warmed through. As you can see, they're starting to change colour. You can do this in a deep fryer if you have one at home. On a deep fryer, I'd recommend 175 degrees Celsius for 5 to 6 minutes. As you can see, they've turned a nice golden colour. You really want to seal them quite well, otherwise they do break and the oil gets in. See, I've got one that's sort of broken. The rest seem to be fine. We'll now plate them up. This is just to make the plate look a bit nicer. You don't have to do this. These are best served nice and warm. There you go. Do try them out and let us know how you got on. Thank you for watching.